Buried for 8 decades,
All right, slow lift on 2. Watch.
Look at the stress fractures around.
we have positive movement. Buried for 8 decades, the massive hull of the E100 prototype finally reveals itself beneath the crushing weight of the deep ocean.
Accident. The structural integrity around the turret ring is severely compromised.
Yes, look at the depth of the pitting on the sonar return.
The laser scans confirm severe structural fatigue around the turret ring. We need to cross-reference the metallurgy reports.
"80 years it has waited in the crushing darkness. Now the E100 rises.
Keep the tension even. We're trying, boss. She's heavier than expected. Just hold her steady. The marine corrosion here is extensive.
The laser scan confirms the depth of the pitting near the sprocket.
I'm logging the crack on the upper armor now. The recovery photos show significant damage right here on the suspension.
And the 3D scan confirms we're missing nearly 40%.
The first step in this massive undertaking is the careful removal of the heavy marine deposits that have fused to the hull over the past 8 decades.
Clear. Lift slow now. Steady, steady. Keep it steady on the left. All right, easy, easy. Clear the starboard side.
careful with that linkage. It's incredibly brittle.
I see it. The insulation on this wire is completely shot too.
All right, slow lift on 2. Watch your clearance on the hull. Steady, steady. She's clear.
Look at the state of this gear housing. The oxidation here is severe. We need to start the electrolysis immediately.
Watch the clearance on the left side.
The wrench is almost through.
Okay, signaling the crane for the lift now.
The drive sprocket looks salvageable, but the rust is extensive.
I've captured the macro shots. Ready for the next tag.
I'm getting a strong reading right at this bracket.
The screen shows a major void beneath the surface. Look at the cross-section.
Look at the stress fractures around the engine mounts.
Yes, the welds completely failed there. We should prioritize that section for the scan.
The complete disassembly of the E100 prototype allows for an unprecedented look at its engineering.
Look at the density here, right next to the weld.
Confirmed. The stress modeling predicted this cluster.
The thermal imaging shows consistent heat distribution across the engine deck.
And the structural analysis on the lower glasses.
All green, the plating seems solid.
We need another millimeter port side.
Copy that. Easing it down now.
Perfect. We are seated.
Watch the starboard side. Bring it down slowly. Looks good here. Set it.
Levels look good on screen 3.
Roger that. Bringing it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
The E100's massive suspension mounts require extensive work. Here we see the newly fabricated steel brackets being secured.
How are the readings on the glasses plate?
Perfect alignment. We are good to proceed.
80 years later, the E100's massive drivetrain undergoes restoration. Here, replacement gears are precisely machined from solid steel billets.
Easy now, bring it down 5 centimeters. Hold it there, watch the alignment on the starboard side.
We finished the final bracing this morning.
Absolutely solid. The heaviest tank ever conceived, finally realized.
All right, bring it down another 5 millimeters. Steady, steady, torquing now. We need another 2 millimeters on the starboard side. Okay, slowing the crane now. Watch the alignment guide.
Hold it right there. Easy now, drop it 5 centimeters. Copy that, watching the sprocket.
We have positive movement. Track tension holding steady.
Confirmed. Engine diagnostics are all green.
After 80 years, the heart of the E100 Super Heavy tank is meticulously broken down for final tuning.
The 80 years later, the E100 engine block undergoes meticulous restoration.
A little to the left.
Okay, easy now. Down slowly. Watch the alignment pins.
Lower by 1 millimeter.
Reading confirmed. Alignment is perfect. Engaging torque sequence.
After 80 long years, the heart of the E100 beats once more. Temperature steady at 120 degrees Celsius. Pressure levels look nominal. Efficiency is holding strong.
Check the heat signature on this weld seam here. Holding steady at 20.5 Celsius. It's flawless.
Lower slowly now, just a few millimeters more. Alignment confirmed. Lock it down. Roger that. Locking sequence initiated.
Ensure the mantlet bolts are torqued precisely. Optics are clear. Calibrating the rangefinder now.
Turret traverse is locked and stable.
All systems reporting green. The validation is complete.
After 80 years hidden from view, we finally reveal the E100, the largest super heavy tank prototype ever constructed by Nazi Germany.